Hello everyone. I received these beautiful girls polarized sunglasses, fashion cute cat eye shades for girls ages 3 through 8 years old. 100% UV protection. Fit girls ages 3 to 8. Polarization, reduce glare and improve visibility. 100% UVA, UVB protection. UV 400, made from a non-toxic polycarbonated plastic and shatterproof lens. That's a plus. They come with what come in the pack? One pair of beautiful cat eye sunglasses for little girls, a beautiful pinkish color, a microfiber bag, cleaning cloth. I believe it's a microfiber too. And your little fix-it tube, your key ring. It also serves as a little screwdriver. Phillip head on that end. Let's see. On this other end, I believe this other end come off. I believe it do, because I can't get it off, but I believe it come off. Yeah. Flat head. Okay. In case the screw or something get loosened. Beautiful. And this how it comes hanging in this little package here. I feel a card or something in there. Probably a thank you card or warranty or something. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Oh. Cherish the best moment in life. Okay. See better, look better. Polarized test card. Okay. I can see the picture. So don't throw your bag away. Mommy, daddy, granny, check your bag. Grandpa, auntie, uncle, check the bag. Okay, don't throw them away. I know those people buy for grandbabies and nieces and nephews and everybody. That's why I said all those people. Okay? Because I got these for my little granddaughter. Yes. I think I gave them to her for her birthday. Not going to be able to tell her anything. They are beautiful. And look at them. Close. Look close. I tried them on. I said, oh, they look so small. But not on my face. But then I came back and read. I said, oh, these for little girls. I want to walk around with the baby shades on. But they are so well made. They are so nice. They really are. Cat eye. You know, you're not going to be able to tell sister anything. Oh, the price. The most important part. And some to me and others, okay? $10.99. They are affordable. $10.99. I got mine free, but you get to invest in your little sweet baby. A pair of nice summer shades that will last for years if they're taken care of. That lasts for years. $10.99. Can't beat that. $10.99. That's affordable. Any baby would love to have these. Any baby girl. Now, you have some 3-year-old out there that is so ladylike. No, you're not going to tear up her shades, and she's not going to let you touch them either. Yeah, I would invest in a 3-year-old. A pair of nice shades. Yes. Okay. That's going to do it. And I will see you on the next video. And if this video helped you in any way, press that button. Yes. Other than that, you know, if you never push the button, but you view thousands of reviews and never give the person credit for doing the reviews, then they may stop it and you may not get your live reviews anymore. And I know you want them, because that's what I want, live reviews. When I see a product I want. Yes. A lot of time that keep me from buying stuff too. If I just see it and I don't see anything about it, nobody write a review about it, I pass right on by it a lot of time. Okay. Beautiful. All right, then. You know how we dress our babies up in that pink. Another additional pink. Okay? All right. Bye-bye, and see you on the next video. Don't forget, hit that button.